Hello children, good morning. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. So children, first we will take one quick revision to what we covered in our previous class, some basic terms of www, and then we will continue with session number 3, instant messaging and its types. So children, in our previous class we discussed about some basic terms that we are using in World Wide Web. First term is web server. Web server, that powerful computer that we are using for sharing, for taking the information. Okay, client is sending request to the server is giving response. So server is that powerful computer where all the HTML pages and other resources are stored. Okay, or what we discussed about web browser. Web browser is an application software which enable the user for displaying an interact with text, images and sounds. Okay, so web browser, few examples: Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome. One term is their home page. First page, if first page is of browser, then that one is the home page of web browser. If any website you open, that first page of that website is home page of that website. So first page is the home page, and web page means all the web pages, all the internet pages. Okay, so internet pages are the web pages, and first page is web page plus home page. Home page means first one is the home of that website, of that web browser. So home page is the first page. Or what we discussed about types of web browser. Children, two types are there. One is graphical and one is text only browser. Graphical browser, where when you are opening, you are using Google Chrome now. So when you open that, what happens? So many images are there. Okay, so that one is graphical browser, which support images also, which support sound also. Text only browser, nowadays we are not using, but certain browsers are there, okay, that will support only text. So they are a text based browser. Best example is Linux. Or what we discussed about web page. What is web page? Web page is an internet page, or we can say electronic page, that we are using, okay, that generally written in HTML. And these web pages of two types, static page and dynamic page. Static page means that it will display the same result to all the users. If I open, it will show me the same result. That when you are writing the facebook.com, it will show you that user ID and password. That one is the static page. It will be same for all of us. So this one is the static page, means whose content is common for all. Dynamic web page, whose content will vary from user to user. You are checking your result, you are doing online shopping, so it content will vary according to user, means all the web pages that design according to user requirement, so they all are dynamic web pages. Or what we discussed about what is the difference between a static and dynamic web page. So first difference is that web page remains same for all the users, static page, and edited according to user requirement, dynamic page. A static page mostly containing HTML tags, while dynamic page is mostly designed in using ASP, JSP, PHP, advanced Java. So these languages we are using for creating these web pages. Next one is website. Website is a collection of related web pages, or here these web pages, okay, related web pages is called website, and each website is having unique address called URL. URL, what is URL? URL is the address of that particular website, and if you are writing facebook.com, it will automatically add what? HTTP and that www, and after that facebook.com, one long path is there. Children, this complete path hota hai na piche, so one long path is there. This complete path is known as URL. What is the difference between web address and URL? Two terms are there. One is web address. Web address भी तो मैम address तो है website का, and URL is also the address. What is the difference between web address and URL? Children, I am writing facebook.com, okay, I am writing www.facebook.com. So this one is your web address, website address. This one is web address. And if path is there, and to +4 and TTP, and so one long path is there, na? Then that complete path is known as what? That one is known as URL. Okay. And what we discussed in our previous class, home page means first page. User friendly means that a website is good, okay? Or we can say when it is convenient for the user, when it contain all the pages, dynamic as well as the static pages is support, so that website is user friendly. Next one is online database. Online database which provide the facility to store the information, okay? And online, when we are filling any form, that information is stored online. You are creating your account on Amazon, on facebook.com. So for this, what they require, they are maintaining your data in online database. Next one is home page. Home page is the first page of that website, is the home page of website. And if browser is there, the first page of the browser is the home page of that browser. And children, web page, all the pages in the website, they all are that web pages. And first page is home page plus web page, both the things are there. HTML, hypertext markup language, that we are using for creating for that static page. Okay? Hypertext or hyperlink are the, वैसे तो देखो hyperlink or hypertext, ठीक है? Text is there, you are writing na data on hyperlink. What is there? If it is written there about, when you are clicking on this about, what happen? You will switch on that page, so text is there. Hyper means active text. When you are clicking on this one, what happen? You will move on to that page. Hypertext. Okay. Next one is hypertext transfer protocol, HTTP protocol. Children, these are the set of rules. Protocol means, okay, and is the method of accessing the web pages on internet. From internet, we are accessing these pages now. It is possible because of HTTP. HTTP we are using for establishing the connection between client and server. And these are the set of rules for accessing web page within the text, images, sound and interact over the internet. Okay. Or what we discussed in our yesterday's class, only these things. So children, next topic is instant messaging. Instant messaging, this one is your book, and that updated content I will provide you. So instant messaging, what is instant messaging? Nowadays you all are using WhatsApp, ठीक है? अब देखो what is there in instant messaging. Instant means at the same time. Messaging means messages. This one is my WhatsApp and this one is your WhatsApp. You are sharing your information, you are sharing your homework or any message to your friend or to me. And suddenly, ठीक है, जैसे ही तुमने अपना message type किया and you are pressing enter, what happened? Your message will instantly, means on the same time your message will delivered on my WhatsApp, it is there. ठीक है? Messaging means the message we are sending. Instant means at the same time, in real time. On Facebook you are chatting with your friend, है ना? On WhatsApp we are sending information. What happened? In real time, we both are online this time. You are sending me message and I am having that message. I am giving you response at the same time. It is there in your phone within few seconds. Because they all are instant messaging. ठीक है? So what is instant messaging? Instant messaging is a communication system which enables real-time transmission of data between sender and receiver by making use of internet. ठीक है? What is instant messaging? Means we are sending message in real time. ठीक है? In the given time, I am here on Facebook, you are here on Facebook. We decided the time we will online this time. ठीक है? You are sending me message. I am on the same time. When you are pressing enter from your computer, what happened? Your message is there in my computer. ठीक है? So this one is because of instant messaging. What is instant messaging? It is a communication system which enable real time transmission. Means real time. What is this real time? Children, real time means at the same time. At the same time, if you are sharing the information, ठीक है, you are pressing enter and within that few seconds it is there on my computer. तो real time transmission है ये. ठीक है? Real time transmission of data between sender and receiver by making use of internet. So this one is instant messaging. and the user must have a valid messaging account. ठीक है, on WhatsApp also must have valid messaging account to use these instant messaging services. ठीक है, so it allow user what we can do in this with the help of this WhatsApp, this Skype. ठीक है, by these methods, by what we can do, send text messages, transfer files, making audio and video calls, and keep a note of message history for future references. ठीक है, so these are the functions that we can perform with these instant messaging. Some example you can tell that Facebook we are using. ठीक है, instant messaging is there. WhatsApp we are using instant messaging. Insta we are using, there also we can share the information, we can talk to each other, so that one is also instant messaging. So with this instant messaging we can share text, images. ठीक है, text we can share images, audio, video and all this. Next is the types of instant messaging software. Children, there are two types, and remember this one is important, ये exam में आ चुका है. There are two types of instant messaging, one is application based and one is web based. What is the difference between these two? Children, you are using WhatsApp. ठीक है, what is there? If you want to use WhatsApp, it must be there in your phone. If you want to use that or we can say Instagram, ठीक है, it must be there on your phone. So these are the app or we can say application based. ठीक है, instant messaging software is downloaded and installed on your user computer or we can say in your mobile. If it is not there, if you have not installed, you are not able to use these instant messaging services. And second one is web based. Web based means your Facebook. ठीक है, so there is no need to download it them. Instant messaging software access using web browser. ठीक है, on web browser what happen, if you want to use Facebook, no need to download it. ठीक है, otherwise its software is also there, Facebook Lite na. But web based what happen, that if you want to use these, so you will go there on website, you will paste there, and when your page open there you can use your chat box and from there you can do the this message conversation. So what is the difference between application based and web based? Application based, if you want to use these technology or we can say these software, ठीक है, application based software instant messaging if you want to use, ठीक है, तो it means they must be downloaded on the user's phone. ठीक है, तो install नहीं करोगे then we are not able to use these application based. Example is your WhatsApp, your Facebook. ठीक है, and the next one is web based. Web based means there is no need to download it. You will open website and there from there you can share your information, you can use to or communicate with your friend. So means software is accessed using web browser. Some popular instant messaging softwares are there. Children, Google Talk, ठीक है, Yahoo Messenger, WeChat, Line, Skype, Viber, Window Messenger, Google Duo, IMO and so many are there. ठीक है, so these are what is instant messaging. Instant messaging means in real time we are sharing the information, and with this what we can share text, audio, video, we can transfer file, we can keep the history of the messages, backup लेते हैं ना, that one. And what types of my instant messaging softwares are available? One is application based, second is web based. Application based means where application must be installed on the user computer or phone, only then you are able to access that service. Best example is your WhatsApp. Next one is web based. Web based is where we are not, it is not compulsory or we can install that particular web software in the phone. Best example is WhatsApp web. ठीक है, some popular instant messaging examples are here. And next is how we can create an account on these instant messaging. I think you are very smart, you all know how to create account. So for this instant messaging, in your syllabus Google Talk is there. ठीक है, how we can create account on Google Talk, you all are aware that you will open Google Chrome. ठीक है, when you open Google Chrome, here is, you will see na that these dots. ठीक है, here this one, when you are clicking on this one, so you will get the option of this Google Chrome. ठीक है, from here you will select Hangouts option, and when you are clicking on Hangouts option you will select that one and choose what, click on add to Chrome extension button, and when this added you are able to use that one in your laptop or in your mobile, and from Play Store also you can download this Hangout option. Okay, Google Talk we can say. When you open that one, your website will open. You will select the extension. You will add the extension here, and with this, next is how we can do chatting using Hangouts extension. So I think you all are very much aware that how we can use Hangout is just similar to your this WhatsApp. Okay, here names are there. You will click on any name, that name window will appear here. Okay, that Google Hangout window will appear here. Dekho, he is selecting this name and this window will appear, and just similar to your Facebook and WhatsApp, you will place your chatting here, and in this manner you can do the chatting. So children, nothing is there in explaining this topic. What is the most important thing is instant messaging. Instant messaging means that we are sharing the information, we are sharing the message in real time. And these instant messaging, they are of two type, and first one is that application based and second one is web based. Important one, web based means that on which there is no need to install any software. Here you will open that website, place that address, that web based that application will be open, and from there you will place your user ID and password. Facebook you are using now, you will place your user ID and password and start conversating with your friend. So that one is web based. In application based, what is here, that we have to first download it in our computer, in our phone, and then we will use them. Best example is your that Google Talk. Okay, or application based example is your WhatsApp, your Skype, so and these Google Meet, your Zoom, they all are application based. So children, with this session number 3 is completed, and next topic is creating an instant messaging account. I hope you all are aware ki how we can create account on this Facebook and all. So you are able to do these things. Okay, open Google Chrome, or we can say open Play Store. From there you will install this and then click on creating new account and then fill that form and then submit. Your account is created. Now you will log in again with your name, user ID and password, and then click OK. I think you all are very much aware, you all are very smart, I know. So nothing is there except this in unit session number 3. So children, in our today's class, session number 3 is completed. If you found any problem in session number 2 and 3, you will inform me. I will definitely there to help you out. I will repeat that topic. Thank you so much for giving me your valuable time. Thank you class for listening me. Thank you.